the business process preventive. This theory will be doing after 1 week maybe. I need to set up the app, so that will do later. Okay, right. I am not sure if you will wish. Okay, so we are starting the preventive maintenance. Okay, preventive maintenance. Okay. So preventive maintenance is a business process in the PM. It's a business process in the PM. Okay. Yes, in the PM model. Okay. So preventive maintenance is carried to avoid breakdown or failure. Okay. Breakdown or failure. Like our two-wheeler, four-wheeler service, that is preventive maintenance. We are doing service, right? Our bike and car half yearly. That is preventive maintenance. Absolutely, we are doing because we don't want breakdown. That is what we are doing the preventive maintenance. Okay, that is the business process in the PM model. Okay, so in the preventive maintenance, we have normally you can tell okay. So the preventive maintenance is you can classify it into time-based, performance, and condition and predictive. Okay. Okay, you can classify in this way. We are going to see three master data here. One is IP11 strategy. Okay, strategy and the task list. That is what we are going to cover today. Task list is next master data. Maintenance plan. Maintenance plan. Okay. So these are the three master data with respect to the preventive maintenance. Okay, IP11 task list and the maintenance plan. Okay. So as I told, preventive maintenance is carried to avoid breakdown and failure. Okay. Example, let's take our car. Okay. So you're taking your car, what you will do, I want to do maintenance for my car means 6 months once, right? Example, I'm telling examples. Each 6 months. Okay. Okay. Each 6 months for 5 years. Each 6 months for 5 years. Okay. So each 6 months, if I'm doing maintenance in my car, each 6 months, if I'm doing maintenance in my car, for example, okay. For example, engine oil check, brake pad check, headlight check, horn check, speedometer check, tire check, etc. So this I want to do each 6 months for 5 years. So how many maintenance we are going to do? We are going to do 12 maintenance. Am I right? Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Each 6 months for 5 years, I am doing maintenance. So for 5 years, it will be 12 maintenance. 12 preventive maintenance. 12 preventive maintenance. Hearing me? Are you guys able to hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir.
It's 10 only, right?
Oh, sorry. Yes. 10 maintenance. Correct. So 5 to 7. So every time I'm going to do this, I'm going to, along with this extra will come. That's no issues. Along with this extra will come. But this I'm going to repeat for all the time. So this can come in different, even monthly. Okay, monthly for 2 years means
Sorry,
how
you
many
are
times?
sharing the screen?
Yes, it is shared.
I'm not able to.
You guys are not able to see my Excel? No one?
Yes, sir. No, but now it is not. Now it is.
Okay. For example, I can do monthly also for 2 years. So how many times? So monthly for 2 years. So 24 times I'm doing maintenance. Correct? Example, I'm telling example. So 24 times I'm going to do this work is matter repeating. The task I'm going to do repeatedly. So this I will create as task list. This I will create as task list. This is one of the master data. Okay, the task I am going to carry. The task I am going to carry multiple times. The task I am going to carry multiple times. That is called as task list. Okay, the task I'm going to carry multiple times is called as task list. So the steps in the preventive maintenance are so steps in the preventive this task list creation, and we are going to create plan and attaching the task list in the plan. Plan means maintenance plan, not plant, PLAN plan. Okay, attaching the task list in the plan, and then there are scheduling, two types of scheduling, IP10 and IP30. Okay, and preventive orders generated. Okay, preventive order you can check in IP24 or IP18, etc. Okay, after the order generated, same release, confirmation, takeover, settlement, and business. This is common. So this is the extra steps. So preventive orders will be auto generated, not manually. Auto generated. Okay, we don't want to create the preventive order manually. Okay, that you will understand in the coming days. Will be able to understand. So the task, and I am going to plan in the plant. I will keep my scheduling parameters mainly. This one, how many months, how much period, this and all I am going to set in the plan. Okay? And then what work I am doing, I am attaching the plan and then scheduling. Through scheduling only preventive orders generated. Okay, through scheduling only preventive orders generated. Okay, just the steps I told you. Okay, the preventive steps and what is the requirement for preventive. This I told. Carry to avoid breakdown and failure. So these are the master tasks in the preventive maintenance. Okay. So we'll go to the task list. So task list is the list of activities I am going to carry multiple times. Task list is the list of activities I am going to carry multiple times. To minimize the breakdown and repair cost, okay, at regular intervals. To minimize the down, that is to avoid breakdown and failure. Okay. This is what there are three types I told you: time, performance, and condition. Okay, time, performance, condition, and predictive now newly introduced. Okay, you'll understand that. I mean, this you'll understand too. And this is what I do: weekly maintenance, 3 months, half year. This is called time based. Others will go slowly. Will go. So steps. This is for task list creation, plan, schedule, preventive orders generated, and then confirmation, release, confirmation, deposit, cash. Okay. Strategy will come later. So task list, as I told, the series of operations, and that is the list of operations, okay, to be performed to an object. Okay, okay, this is called as task list. See, for example, okay, if you are going to do maintenance for a pump, okay, the work consists of series of standard. Series means the list of activities, Okay, that is called. Any doubt on task list? You guys are clear on the concept? What is task list? Anyone have any questions? Concept is very important. Are you clear of the concept?
The Excel sheet only actually. So,
Okay, 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 okay. Okay, now you should be able to see. So task list, you guys are able to clear the concept. So for example, if I'm going to do a maintenance for a pump, okay, for the pump, the list of activities I'm going to carry, that is called as task. Example, anything, even for a engine, like outlet pressure, inlet pressure, oil level, the list of vibration, the bearing check, like that, the list of work, the activities I'm going to perform each regular intervals is called as task list. Any questions on the task list? Anyone? Task list, anyone have any questions? Concept.
Predefined operations, right? Like that. Right.
Absolutely. Predefined operations. Yes, predefined operations we are going to use for multiple n number of times. Okay, right. So this task list is of three types. This is a basic integration, general task list. Okay, equipment task list and the FL function location task list. Okay, and the T code to create are IA05 and IA01 and IA11. Okay. These are the three type of task list and report very important. Report for task list. Okay. Report for task list. IA09. Okay. IA09. So general task list means like, for example, okay, engine. I can use this task list for any engine, not one engine. In my company, there are 500 engines. So this task list I can use for many engines. Okay. Or like your cleaning activity, like that also you can. Okay. Equipment task list is created for one single equipment. You can write in a handout. Is created for one single equipment. Particular equipment, you will understand the system. One single equipment. Only one equipment. This task list can be used for only one single equipment. That is called FL the same, can be used for only one particular case. So very important basic interview question. What are the types of task lists and what are the types of plan? Plan will go tomorrow. Okay, first we will concentrate on task list. Okay, so let's see how to create a task list. T code is IE05. Okay, so there is something called profile. Okay, so profile is your MM integration things. Okay, that will come under this place. In task list, it will come. Your I'll show. Yeah, define profile for the default values for task list. So here you will maintain your operation activity, operation number, your MM durations, your currency, purchase ordination. This and all we did during MM, if you remember, I'm not sure. And your calculation key, normally hours. So this and all will be coming from the file. Not a very big config, it's a simple config. Okay. So this is what profile. So go to E05. And one more thing I want to tell you. So I told engine, right? I told engine. So I have 500 capacity engine. I have 1500 capacity engine. And I have one more engine of different company, maybe Crompton. I don't know, just I'm telling. Okay. So for 500 capacity engine, I want to create one task list. And for 1500, I want to create one more task list. And for Crompton Grease company task list, I want to create one more task list. So three task lists I want to create for the engine itself, under engine. All are engines. So under engines itself, I have subdivisions kind of you control. So this engine is called as group. This engine is called as group. Okay. And this is called as counters, group counter. Group counter. That you can see here. So this is task list creation. Sorry, the profile config. This is not your operation implement. I'll show you. Okay, and your calculation key, your MM things, and all. I'll show now the system. So this is what your group. You can give engine or you can keep it empty, like you put it to take the number, take the profile, this profile. This profile you can take here, become 01, press enter. So give here engine task list. Okay. Give the plant. Okay. This is report for task list IA09. IA09 for the task list. Come down. I will take the reason created. What is there maybe? Okay. So for which plant we'll see this is once 110. Okay, fine. Okay. So give 1710 planning plan. And task list is created against the planning plan, not maintenance plan. Task list is created against the planning plan. Okay. So come here, maybe I'll tell you what is status. Okay, it is there. Fine. Okay. So this usage is very important. Usage specifies we are going to use this task list for which module? EAM module. Usage specifies you are going to create this task list for which module. Okay. So you need to maintain 4 and status you need to maintain 4. This 2 is very important in the task list. These 2 fields are very important. This is called the task list header screen. Okay. So this is work center for the resources, and this is your group. Group 18 is your engine. Okay. And this 1, 2, 3 counter, you can see a counter 1. This is called group and group counter. And engine task list, your plant, usage, planner group. If you want, you can add the planner group. Okay. You can take any planner group. So this is anything here? Anyone have any questions here on this? This is set the task setup. Go to operation. Operation here. This operation increment, you hit the configuration here. This one. Okay. And your calculation key. This one. Okay. And your configuration. Your currency, your purchase organization. This and all for your duration, your currency. But again, if you need, if you have, you can enter purchasing group, everything you can enter. Okay. Supplier, purchase organization cost. Actually, you need it for the when duration comes, you need it, but it is not there for now, so it's okay. Okay. So if you are doing duration, you need it. Okay. But now we'll skip it. We'll see that later. So this is the user profile. So you are giving your operations. Okay. What and all task I need to do. Okay. And give the number of resources. Oh, this is not maintained. Huh? This unit of hours. Yes. H. Okay. Because this is your operation line, work order operation line. Nothing but the work order operation. Okay. So now it will not come. Started issue. So give the number unit of hours H. Give the number. This is your operation line. Nothing but your operation line. Clear, right? What I'm doing, number of resources, how many hours they are going to work. That's what I'm entering. Your work order operation screen. This is. So you can add your components here. Through the component button, you can add the components if required. If required, you can add your components. Okay. Click the select any line. Go to component. Here you can add your components. Same your work order, nothing but your work order. Okay. Give the quantity. Okay. And yeah, and you can enter your services also PM03 external services. Implementation we completed. That also you can enter. That's what it started issue. External operation at order quantity. External operation at order quantity. Okay, this maybe fine. So you can do the services also, extra services, and you can add the materials. You can add the PRT. Done. So this is how to create a task list. Anyone have any questions on the task list? Any doubts or questions on the task list? Save it. Okay, now I want to do for the next set. Okay, I told group counter, remember? So for the engine, I need the second counter. So what I can do, the group is same. Give the profile PM01. If you want, you can copy from the old. Or if you want fresher, you can do. I'm going with copy option. Copy, general task list, press enter. Okay. And the group is same, 18. Counter 1, press enter. You can see the counter 2. Counter 2. Okay. View the planner group, sorry, status. So that's all. You can see the operations are complete. All the operations from the group 1 is complete. So this is for the second one. Go to the header, change this name. You are doing for 1500 capacity engine. Save it. This is called task list creation. Any questions on the concept or on the creation? Anyone? It's a very important master data. Preventive will be there in all the projects. Task list will be there in all the projects. Without preventive maintenance, there is no EM project. So task list and plan you should know. Right. So regarding to the equipment task list, as I told, equipment task list, this is very important. Write in a handout. Created for one single equipment, you cannot use for other equipments. T code is IA01. Go to IA01 / IA01, press enter. You can see the equipment field is there. Because I am creating this task list for a single particular equipment, only one equipment. Example, I brought this engine from Korea. Example, I'm telling. Okay, so you should use the spare parts and what and all materials you require, which is advised by the Korean company for only one equipment. So I'm creating a separate task list. Are you clear? Concept is clear. Example, I'm telling example. Particular one equipment. The work I am going to do, the material I am going to use, everything is totally different from other. That is called equipment task list for only one single equipment. That is what I'm doing the equipment. Okay. Equipment by equipment list. Compare plant 1110. Right click. Execute. Maybe take this equipment, maybe press enter. You can see the equipment is coming. This task list is created for this one single equipment. One single equipment. I'm using the word. Okay. Whatever activities you want, you can add here. Hand check, speedometer check, whatever you want. Okay, brake pad check like that, and give this and that. Press enter. Okay, that's all. This task list is created for this one single equipment. You cannot use for other equipments. That is called equipment task list. Save it. Go to report. Back. You can see general equipment FL task list created today date. What is the today date? 3:15. Copy this. Right click. Execute. Okay, here itself different updated. Okay, maybe this is we save this. Save. Okay. Created by yes. This and all we created. Okay. This is no 99. So this is the equipment task list we created, and these two are the general task lists we created with the user ID. Okay. So task list completed. FL task list nothing. The T code will change. IA 11. You are going to give one single FL. That is created for one FL, one single FL. Again, I'm telling one single FL. Go through any doubt, let me know. Okay. All right. Then you can do all the things. It is already having one task list. So go to operation. It's there. It's getting copied. Okay. No issues. This is FL task list. You can come and check here. Okay. General equipment FL. Come down. You created on date. Or you created my user ID, right? 84 S4 FICO 99. Created by 84 S4 FICO 99. Okay. Right click, execute. So what we create is coming. Equipment F1 not coming. F81, did I save it? I didn't save it. Cool. Fine. So this is about the task list creation. Yes, this is about the task list creation. Now from the task list, I will just execute this. Okay. I am taking this scenario. Okay. For example, 6 months for 5 years. Okay. Just 5 minutes I'll complete. Okay. So the 6 months is called as cycle length. Okay. It's called as cycle length. And 5 years is called a scheduling period. Very basic preventive concepts. Okay. You cannot skip here and all. So each 6 months I want to do meetings that is called as cycle length, and it should go up to 5 years. Scheduling period is 5 years. Okay. Cycle length and a scheduling period. So I'm going to create a plan. I will just show how to create. We will go in depth later. Okay. Maybe you can write this in your handout. There are three types of plan: single cycle, strategy, and multiple counter plan. Okay. There are three types of plan. Okay. Single cycle start. This you can please write in a handout. Okay, please write this in your handout. Okay. So we'll go with the single cycle plan. What is that? We'll discuss later. Ticket IP41. Just I want to show how to create the order. Okay. So go to IP41. IP41, press enter. Take your order generation, press enter, engine, maintenance. Okay. So what we discussed, 6 months once, I want to do my maintenance for 5 years. Okay. So this is called a cycle length. Put 6 unit MON. Okay. Press enter and take some equipment. We'll discuss this in the next class. Okay. Just I want to show the order creation. Take a equipment of which plant you are using. Press enter. Use the order type. You need to take preventive order type. Okay. Normally PM02, but just recheck also. Okay. Normally PM02. This, yeah. I mean, this is preventive, but didn't maintain the description properly. Okay. So, so in the plan, this is maintenance plan, T code IP41. Okay. So give the month, give the order type. From the equipment, your planning plan, percent, everything will come, press enter. Okay. Oh my God. Code for plan IP15. Okay. We'll see this is for which plant. Let's see that. Okay, they are using PM03. Okay, fine. For now, we'll use PM03. We'll see that later. Okay, press enter. So this is for 6 months for 5 years. That is called scheduling period here. So put 5 years. Okay, YR. And keep callers on 100 to discuss later. For 6 months, cycle unit. Okay, this is very important. Cycle length 6 months, scheduling period 5 years. So 6 months here, second tab 5 year. Okay, come down. What task list we created? Again, I'm telling you, what task list we created. We are going to attach here by this button. Select the task list, down task list. In the plan, come down. Okay, go by created on date or created by my ID. Okay, right click, execute. I am taking this one. Okay, whatever you want, you need to take the correct task list. Press enter. So now I created task list. I created plan and I am attaching the task list in the plan. I am attaching the task list in the plan. Okay, and then scheduling. Basic. We'll go in detail later. Okay, just a basic I'm showing you. This is scheduling. So save it. Okay, this is plan creation. Any questions on the plan? On this IP41, anyone have any questions here? We'll come again. Just I'm showing the flow, preventive flow. I'm just showing. Any questions on this here? Anyone have doubts or any questions here? Concept wise or anything? Okay. So next I need to do schedule. Why I'm doing scheduling? Through scheduling only your preventive orders generated. Okay. IP10 and IP30. IP30 we'll see later. Now I am doing by IP10. Okay. So IP10. So my plan number 92/n IP10. Press enter. Your plan number. Press enter. Start. This is scheduling. IP10. T code is IP10. Okay. Click start. Dates. I forgot to tell you in the preventive, you should be very cautious with the dates and measurement documents. What is that? You will understand later. Very, very cautious because days plays the game in preventive. Dates and measurement. You write this in a handout actually. Write this in a handout. Very, very important in the preventive. Okay. So enter with this start button. This pop-up will come. Press enter. You can see for 5 years the orders are coming. 10, you can see what we discussed. 6 months for 5 years. 6 months for 5 years. 10, it is coming 11. That one call will come here and there. That depends on calculation. That we'll discuss later. So select the line, click the release button down, release call. You can see the call tail will get emptied here. Got empty. Save it. This is the basic preventive flow. Very basic preventive flow. This is issue. Select the line, display call object down, display call object, you see the preventive order stated. Your preventive order, from the task list, the operations are copied. From the task list, the operations are copied. You can see I didn't enter this manually because it is coming from the task list through plan. This preventive order is created. This is a preventive order. Any open questions, let me know. If not, today task is completed and other plan and all I just showed you. We'll discuss detail on Monday. Okay. So preventive flow, basic flow, with task list. Let me know anyone have any questions here. If not, I am okay for today.